I should have harvested this potato about 3 weeks ago. This is a 50-gallon grow bag, and I have purple Viking in this. Okay, I have to. Oh, slug. Jeez, I hate this. I hope to get a good harvest. Wow, this a very nice size. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. This purple Viking is so beautiful. Uh, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, this so beautiful. Mm, this this look rotten. Can I keep it there? I'm happy with my harvest. Really happy with it. I will be eating from the potato, so happy. Oh, this is the biggest. Okay. Well, oh, see what I got? Well, I have another purple Viking in this bed. So I think I planted purple Viking and this, I don't know what to call it, pink or red. All right. Okay. Wow. This purple Viking. Yeah, it's so massive. Oh, oh my goodness. That's the red one. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm just feeling I'm just feeling them. Oh Lord. Thank you, Jesus. This is beautiful. Pink. All right. All right. And this is from 3 bags. Wow. I have purple Viking here too. That's amazing. Okay. Let's do this. Mm. So these are so big. I'm so oh good. I'm happy. Almighty. Oh, I have another pink. What is it? Potato? It's awesome. They're so big. Can't wait to show this to my mother-in-law. She loves potato. I think after curing it, I'll take some to her. Okay. I'm done. Today is the next day. Oh, there's so many one. Yes. Oh, oh my goodness. This is the russet potato I got from was it Home Depot. Okay. I'm one gardener that is scared of snail and slugs. It irritates me. I get irritated with snails and slugs. At least I can stand snail because it helps the soil. But slugs, oh my god. Oh, I got a big one. I got it from, I don't know if this is Russia, but I got it from Home Depot. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. Okay. my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's like I shouldn't take this. I should just forget about the potatoes. And oh my goodness. Well, and again, it's wet because of the rain. So, okay. Yeah. I don't know if this is the seed. Ugh. I'm so happy that I'm done. Even if I didn't get that much, I'm just happy to be done with this. I just brought one. Oh, there's so many tiny worms in here. Okay, look at. Let me see that. Yuck! Some people hold this stuff in their hands. Look at these. You guys are amazing. Alright, I have 2 more beds before I'll be done. Okay, there's this bird. Just looks so clean. It's dry. Then we go to this. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I'm so happy. There's the last one. Yep. Oh Lord, I'm grateful for this harvest. to God for this wood. Okay, I got you. Please like and subscribe because I'll be harvesting my sweet potato, and I'm praying and hoping it's gonna be epic. My sweet potatoes, but something is eating it, so I don't know what to expect. But I am praying that the harvest will be amazing, good, or even better than this. Oh, let me stretch my back. Thank you guys for joining me in this harvest. This is my harvest for today. I am so happy.